Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a closing model VS12. That's variable speed 12. Actual swing is 13-inch. Centers is about 40-inch centers. This came out of a school. Very clean machine. Comment to all of these machines though, the feed chart wears off. I believe it goes down here, and every one I've ever had in that was off. We do have a copy of the manual, so you can just copy it from the manual and keep it next to the machine or laminate it and put it on. Has an Armstrong tool post with a whole bunch of holders. Typical to a school, they took the adjustment stops off, but at least I have the holders. The ways are in super shape. Has a Maya 3-jaw chuck. We have a 4-jaw chuck down the other end. The screws are pretty tight. Morse taper number 3 tailstock. We have a Jacobs 1/2-inch ball bearing super chuck. A live center. Oh, the camera's not focusing. I don't know why the camera won't focus there. Doesn't like to get close. Okay, there's your threading dial. There's your vari-speed crank. So you have two ranges, 60 to 400 and 400 to 2500. The machine is wired for low voltage 3-phase at the moment. So you put it on, forward or reverse. There's your speed. Left to engage. Carriage is speeding toward the chuck. There's your in-feed. That's your emergency stop. Back up. Nice how well that speed changer works. Off, we'll put it in the low range. Just feel it by hand so you don't damage your gear. Here's your low range. I forgot to disengage the handle there, but there's your gauge the half nut, show you the half nuts work. So your half nuts feeding. Okay, there's your in-feed again. There's your longitudinal feed. It's a nice machine, very well made. I've only owned a few of these over the years, but every one of them has worked great. 1 3/8 spindle hole, cam lock spindle. I believe that's a D14, but I have to check it. But we do have 3 and 4 jaw chucks for it. It's an Armstrong tool post with a bunch of holders. The holders look like mostly, some Dorian, some Aloris, some mixed. You will need to get the stop rings for them or make them a nut. 3 of them are missing the post, but at least there's a bunch of holders. It's a nice clean machine. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.